fully look naked. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Madison Paige, and let's just jump into the video. So today's video I am going to be doing a bi pride makeup look. I don't know, there's a lot of rainbow looks out there, but like this isn't actually necessary. I just wanted to do it. As with all of my makeup looks and makeup tutorials, this is entirely improvised. So let's get started. As you can see, I've already done my base and my brows. So yeah, let's get started. Now the bi pride flag has the colors pink, blue and purple in it. So I'm going to use those colors and those colors those colors alone. I'm going to take what's left of this pink here for fuck's sake, and just put that sort of like in the first third of my eyelid. You can't see that at all. Hang on, let's try to zoom you in a bit. There we go. Hopefully I don't go in and out of frame too much, as I so often do. Okay, so spoiler alert, I do go in and out of frame, which means there is some footage that is kind of unusable, especially the lower lash line, blending, highlight, and I think I might have forgotten to zoom out for my lips, so. Alright, so I'm actually doing both eyes at the same time, but just doing one eye on camera, just because I really can't be bothered, like, cleaning my brush, because I only have one brush, cleaning my brush in between colours and then going and doing it again, so I'm doing all the colours at once. Next I'm going to take this purple here and put that in the second third of my eyelid. I'm really trying to blend that in with the pink. Finally, we're going to go in with Midnight from a different palette this time. This is my Magical Wine palette, as I have been using oh so often. The other one is just like this really old cheechy one. We're just gonna put this all in like the outer V last bit of the holy shit. And then actually, I mean, I'm saying actually like I only thought of this now, but this was always the sort of idea. I'm going to take that blue and blend it up into that crease. Okay, now I'm just going to do that other eye and then maybe go over the purple and the pink a little bit. Okay, so now for bottom lash line, I am just going to go in with that purple, no, not the purple, the pink again. And then we're going to go in with the purple again, just a really small amount on the blending brush and blend that out. Okay, I'm gonna go on with some white eyeliner, but I need to get really close to the mirror, so I'm gonna disappear. I'll be right back. Okay, so now we're just going to go in with some highlighter in the inner corner and on the brow bone. Pink, of course, and by pink I mean my Hourglass highlighter. Now I don't want to do eyeliner because I feel like that will cover up too much of the look, but I am gonna do lashes, so let's curl first. This is actually pretty dope. For lashes, we're going to do some new ones this time. These are from XO Beauty. They're called the Girl Next Door. They're actually like natural lashes because I don't have dramatic ones, but I feel like this look would do well with some dramatic lashes. So yeah, I'm gonna do these off camera as always, and I will come back when I've got them on. Okay, so those are on. I am now going to take my usual Colour Co mascara and just chuck that on. Okay, and for lips, I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. I kind of like how it looks with just like a neutral lip, so I might use this color right here. I genuinely can't believe I forgot to zoom out to do my lips. I also can't believe that I'm still having this problem. Like, I've done so many makeup videos now, and I can never get the framing right. Like, I should know by now that I lean forward. I need to stay zoomed out, but we'll fucking lower the camera. Okay, so I ended up chucking on, just putting like a soft pink metallic eyeshadow over my lip gloss, just to be a little bit extra. But this is the finished look. We'll give it a spray. So there we have it. That was my By Pride makeup tutorial-ish thing. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below, I'm a rainbow, because I love Dodie. Subscribe if you haven't already. Tap the bell notification thingy to be notified every time I post, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!